Hi guys, we are at Naranja and La Cañada Drive. And guess what we have? Clear traffic lights, and we got some old, disgustingly faded Econolite buttons. That one right, and that one right there is brand new. See, listen. Oh, this is actually a flat one. Didn't hear about that. It's really clicky. Clickety clankety. What's that right there? Oh, that goes that one. 26-second countdown. And then we got this one right here. That one's clear as well. You'll get a look at the countdown. You'll get a look at the countdown right there. Alright. Look how low this button is right here. When I step on that little steep hill of rock, that's what it looks like. Look at that. There goes that one. That's it.